Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file bankruptcy without a lawyer. First, you need to understand the two main types of consumer bankruptcy, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. It's crucial to determine if you qualify for Chapter 7 by passing the means test, which evaluates your income. Next, gather all your essential financial documents, including recent pay stubs, bank statements, and tax returns. This initial preparation is vital for a smooth process. Once your documents are ready, you'll prepare the official bankruptcy forms. These forms require you to list every single asset you own, all your debts, your income sources, and your monthly expenses. Accuracy is paramount here. Any omissions could cause issues. Make sure to attach all required schedules and statements to your main bankruptcy petition. Take your time to ensure everything is complete and correct before moving forward. After preparing your forms, the next step is to file your completed bankruptcy petition with the court clerk. You'll then be scheduled for a mandatory meeting of creditors, often referred to as the 341 meeting. During this meeting, a trustee will ask you questions under oath about your financial situation. It's essential to follow all court instructions and meet every deadline precisely to ensure your case proceeds without complications. Following your 341 meeting, you must complete a mandatory debtor education course. This course helps you manage your finances moving forward. Eventually, if all requirements are met, you will receive your bankruptcy discharge, which legally eliminates your eligible debts. This is the final step in the process, offering a fresh financial start. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. It's a simple way to keep your car smelling fresh and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.